Hello, this is Akim Salahuddin, ID 17301201. Today I'm going to talk about the environment of our robot. We have floors, directional lights and shades, and some shapes are added also as objects. To create collision, we have created many collisional objects. We also add mass, density, inertia, and other elements to the object to create a more realistic environment. Our robots act as if it's in a real world. Let's talk about the body object. We added shape component, then we chose the plot to determine other properties, then we added base color, and then we move on to the geometry part. We applied physics here. We use the rotational surface to create a rotational motor that will help the robot to move. So we used the wheels. The bell-shaped wheels that we used has created a parameter that can confirm that the wheels are rotating. Now the next member of our group will present his part.
Hello, I'm Tanzimul Haq, student ID 18101297. So in this robot, we use two types of sensor. First one is distance sensor and second one is camera sensor. The distance sensor is used in front of the robot. The sensor is used in a manner so that it could act like eyes. The sensors are DS left and DS right. So it is easy to understand that DS left is used to cover the left area and half of the front part, and DS right is used to cover the right area and the other half of the front part. So at first we need to add sensor. We will go to the children, then click add, then base nodes, and then select distance sensor and camera sensor. So the main function of the distance sensor is to calculate the distance of object in front of the robot, and by sensing it, it will change the direction. The job of the camera sensor is to visualize everything in front of the robot. So now my other member will present the rest.
Hello everyone, I am Shakodda Somortho. My ID is 18101157. I will talk about the controller code of our project. First, here I will import four libraries: distance sensor, motor, robot, and camera. Then we create a robot. It has two dimensions, ds right and ds left. From the distance sensor, we will get the distance of the robot from the object after each time step. After that, we take a camera which will refresh after 64 seconds. Then we do the recognition enable after each time step. After that, we take four wheels, wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3 and wheel 4. Then we set position and velocity for the wheels. Then we set avoid obstacle counter for them. Here it will read sensors. Here we set a limit in wheels for that they move in the same speed. To avoid the compilation error, we set it to 950. Otherwise, if the value got by distance sensor is more than 950, the obstacle counter becomes 100 and it worked as the written code. So in the sensor, it is set that avoid obstacle counter 100. So after getting an obstacle, it will return. Thank you.